Did you know some of the world's most intriguing gadgets have been banned for being too dangerous or controversial? Let's dive into the strange, the risky, and the outright bizarre inventions that were outlawed, yet still captivate our curiosity. First, let's talk about laser pointers. Sounds harmless, right? But did you know high-powered laser pointers are banned in many countries? These gadgets, often sold illegally, can cause serious eye injuries, disrupt pilots, and even interfere with law enforcement. Despite their risks, people still smuggle and misuse them for pranks, making them a global safety concern. While standard laser pointers are legal in most places, high-powered versions, in over 1 EMW, are banned in countries like Australia and the UK due to serious risks. In 2018, over 4,500 laser incidents were reported in US airspace alone. Despite bans, these pointers are still available on the black market, often marketed as toys, but capable of causing chaos. Next up, the Flamethrower Drone. Yes, you heard that right, a flying device that literally shoots fire. While originally designed for industrial purposes like clearing power line debris, these drones quickly gain notoriety as potential weapons. Governments in countries like India and Canada have outright banned them, citing serious safety and security concerns. In China, an unregulated drone sparked a major fire during a public demonstration in 2020, highlighting their risks. Despite these bans, hobbyists continue creating DIY versions, forcing authorities to crack down even further. Now let's talk about exploding hoverboards, a gadget that promised a futuristic thrill, but quickly turned into a safety nightmare. In 2015, defective lithium-ion batteries caused dozens of fires and even explosions in homes and on airplanes. Governments in countries like the US, Australia, and the UAE responded with strict bans and recalls. By 2016, over 500,000 hoverboards were recalled in the US alone, with major retailers like Amazon pulling unsafe models. While new safety standards have been introduced, dangerous knockoffs still occasionally slip through the cracks. Ever heard of spy pens? These seemingly ordinary pens conceal cameras or audio recorders, making them perfect for covert operations or serious privacy violations. Countries like Germany and South Korea strictly regulate these gadgets, with possession without permits punishable by heavy fines or jail time. Cases of illegal surveillance in schools, offices, and public restrooms have sparked growing global regulations. In 2019, over 6,000 cases of illegal filming were reported in South Korea alone, leading to widespread protests and calls for tougher enforcement. Finally, let's not forget shock gloves, self-defense tools designed to deliver high-voltage electric shocks capable of incapacitating an attacker or worse. While marketed as personal protection, these gloves have been misused, leading to bans in countries like the UK and New Zealand, where they are classified as torture devices under weapons laws. In 2017, reports of nightclub bouncers in Russia abusing shock gloves raised international concerns. Despite these restrictions, they remain popular on online black markets, fueling their controversial status. That's all for today's look into banned and forbidden gadgets. Which invention surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating dives into the strange and curious. Until next time, stay curious.